PCG IT's co-managed IT offering is designed for companies with IT in-house in all types of industries. Our co-managed platform is designed to resolve IT issues for two primary business roles, the IT staff and the management team. IT employees don't have time to keep up with all the daily IT and security challenges. They don't have the bandwidth to learn the necessary technical skills and competencies to address and resolve all your IT requirements. They're overworked and always on call. PCG offers your IT team the support after hours when they are sick, need personal time off, or on vacation. Owners and leadership teams are constantly worried about business continuity and what happens if their IT employees leave. What will they do? Does the IT staff have the necessary security and cybersecurity skill sets to protect your employees, data, and company reputation? We have multiple service offerings to help your company and management team get access to the technical and security talent and offerings to maximize your IT investments to help meet your business goals. We know that IT costs can spiral, but not with PCG. Outsourcing IT with PCG can save you money, time, and stress. You'll have access to our VCIO IT strategy services to help your company plan better, control your IT costs, and keep your security threats at a minimum. Our customized co-managed plans provide companies with the best of both worlds. They utilize your existing IT staff while outsourcing challenging technical tasks and projects to our managed services and security team. Ultimately, we will give you the benefits and services you need to secure your network while being an invaluable resource for your internal team. With PCG, you get the best value, the most flexibility, and unlimited resources, and only pay exactly for what you need. For example, you can take advantage of our Network Operations Center, which gives you 24/7 monitoring of all your key networking equipment, patching so you're always up and running. Or our SOC, the Security Operations Center, which delivers 24/7 US-based monitoring to verify that all your security and cyber products are standardized, updated, aligned to mitigate your risks. Many companies with IT in-house like to utilize our help desk so they can focus on the bigger IT strategy and action items that help drive your business. We offer both 8x5 or 24/7 help desk, or as a backup for escalations, or if your team's busy with projects or taking time off. There's a lot of benefits to choosing PCG IT as your outsourced IT and security provider. You'll gain access to a strong technical team with experience, competencies, and certifications who bring expertise, cybersecurity knowledge, and a host of other specialty skill sets to supplement or add to your current IT team. You'll enjoy our customized and flexible plans, which include a dedicated lead engineer and a client success manager assigned to your account. PCG offers you decades of project management skills to address a wide array of IT and security needs for your business, such as anything Microsoft 365 related, cloud services, server migrations, risk assessments, VoIP, audio video, wireless or surveillance camera solutions, and any cabling or fiber needs performed by a dedicated wiring division. PCG is one of New England's top-tier managed security providers with 2 CISSPs, Certified Information System Security Professional. Our custom productivity suite that delivers 6 components including your own ticketing system streamlined for better support, reporting, user experience, and the ability to escalate to the PCG team. A documentation portal that's encrypted to track everything IT from vendor information, passwords, how-tos, and so much more. Our remote monitoring and management tool. This enables you to take over any system for remote support and gives you a full network audit of all your devices. Access to our exclusive scripting library. Customized dashboards for reporting. PCG's Hub 360. This portal was designed with the client experience in mind, and it can track anything IT from your Microsoft 365 licensing, workstation audits, ticketing, invoicing, videos, new user setups. If it's IT related, we can access it and track it here. Discover all the benefits of this productivity suite at pcgit.com Productivity Suite. When you become a PCG co-managed or premium client, you gain direct access to Microsoft support for escalations thanks to our partner level status. You will also reap the benefits of our partnerships with many of the industry leading IT providers, VMware and Hyper-V, Cisco and Meraki Premier Partner, Fortinet, Ubiquiti, HP for servers, workstations, and notebooks, Dell Premier for servers, desktops, and notebooks, Lenovo for notebooks and PCs. Combined, we have over 100,000 in product inventory, so we can usually expedite any of your immediate IT product needs. You can learn more at pcgit.com/partners. PCGIT is New England's only managed services and security provider with 2 CISSPs on staff who offer more than just any security competency. The biggest value here is having access to our security advisors who understand your business, industry, and compliance requirements. Their skills can help you in the design of your WISP, a written information security policy, on topics like remote workforce, web content, email usage, files and permissions, or cyber insurance. PCG provides companies with value and flexibility. Your team can rely on us as a trusted partner for the needed services and solutions to help your company compete, grow, and keep your data, employees, and company safe from a cyber threat. We were founded in 1996 as Portsmouth Computer Group. We've had continuous growth year after year. Our remarkable employee tenure of 10 years compared to an industry average of 18 months means that we build trust and clients receive a consistent level of care and support. An established leadership team that drives culture, training, and employee retention. A technology and security stack continuously being evaluated to offer the best value and outcomes for our clients. High client satisfaction results in raving reviews, which lead to long-term client relationships. To learn more about how we help you supplement or outsource your IT, call or email us today.